Before you begin, remove the top cover. Removal. Caution: use care when disconnecting the wireless antenna cables from the wireless module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade notebook performance. Carefully disconnect the wireless antenna cables from the wireless module by grasping the connectors with a small pair of needle nose pliers or tweezers. Remove the 2.5mm P0 Phillips broadhead screw that secures the wireless module to the base enclosure. Peel back the mylar that secures the wireless module to the system board. Grasp the wireless module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Reverse this procedure to install the wireless module. Important: when installing the wireless module, be sure to align the notch in the wireless module with the key in the wireless module slot in the system board.